Everyone is interested in boosting their immune function. The best way to do that is to understand that there's a link between metabolism, your metabolic health, and your immune function. If your metabolic function is weakened, your immune function is weakened along with that, and you can't fight. The number one way as a company we're boosting your immune function is by making your metabolic function optimized. So how do we do that? Well, let's think about this for a second. Ketones make you more satiated, give you more energy, which makes you want to lose body fat because you're going to follow your diet better and you're going to exercise better. Now, the whole system around that is designed to support that. So let's look at the supporting products. If you look at Mitoplex, for example, Mitoplex improves mitochondria. Mitochondria, guys, are the core, the central core of metabolic health are mitochondria. Those are the little machines in our body that produce energy. Those are the machines in our body that if they're healthy, you have normal blood glucose levels. Those are the machines in our body that we know that people who are living to 100 years of age and longer have better functioning mitochondria. So Mitoplex targets your body to increase mitochondria, and it does it in a dose-dependent fashion. So if you have 1 serving a day of Mitoplex, that'll help mitochondria. If you have 2, it'll help it more. If you have 3, it'll help it to an optimized level. So that's targeting metabolic function. Let's look at, for example, Keto OS Pro. The kind of protein that's in there and the amino acids that are in there help our muscles be healthier. Muscles are one of the #1 things that support metabolic function. A healthier muscle allows us to exercise more efficiently. A healthier muscle makes our resting metabolisms greater so that we can lose more body fat. So Keto OS Pro is targeting muscle health. So now we're targeting mitochondrial health. We're targeting better energy. We're targeting better muscle health. Also, you need your DNA to function better, right? So if your DNA is not functioning right, it's going to mess all your metabolic health up. So that's where Signal OS comes in. So you see Signal OS embedded in products, but you also see it, as a product that you can take. So that's repairing DNA so our metabolic health can be better. And then we give you direction on how to take these things. So you take the ketone challenge, right? You're taking a number of packets of ketones every single day. That's making sure that we're hitting our metabolic health. Now look at Reboot. What was Reboot designed to do? One of the #1 ways that we can improve every single thing I said, fat loss, improving cardiovascular health, is fasting. But last I checked, not too many people think fasting is fun. Like, I personally don't think it's that fun. And when you try and do fasting like a water fast, it's almost impossible to maintain, okay? So what Reboot does is we know that these intermittent fasts improves all metabolic health, but we need to do it in a way that maintains muscle health, maintains immune function. So we supply support products around it, like ketones, like Keto OS Pro, like keto broth, which improves your joint function, and give you all these nutrients so you're not hungry during the reboot, and you're fasting, and you're not only improving the benefits of the fast, but you're not hungry, and you can make it through it smoothly. So that keto reboot is the ultimate way that we can improve our immune functions and metabolic health. So this entire system, it's not just a product, it's a system that brings you closer to human optimization.